Hello students. Today we are going to see about the parts of compound microscope. First of all, you should know that what is the compound microscope or what is the meaning of general microscope. You know that when so many times you see in the biology lab or the simply in the science lab that microscope are used to see the objects which cannot be seen by the naked eyes. So that means it is the instrument used to examine the objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eyes. So that's why you should know that what are the parts of the complete compound microscope. Whatever the microscope you are seeing here, that is a compound microscope. Okay, and in today we will talk only from the stage base to the eyepiece. Okay, so first of all, this is the base of the microscope. You can see the complete base of the compound microscope. That base is the horseshoe shaped structure on which the various parts of the microscope are rest. Okay, so first of all we will see one by one that okay, I think you understand what is the meaning of the base. That base is the horseshoe shaped structure. Next to that there is the pillar. You can see here, this is the pillar is present. Okay, this is the pillar. Okay, this pillar is a vertical projection from the base. Okay, and because of the base and the pillar, all the parts of the microscope are rest on the microscope. Next there is the arm. Now arm is what? Arm is the curved handle to hold a microscope. You can handle the microscope like that when you use it. So you can for that only you can hold the arm. So this is the function of the arm, that what is the arm and what is the function of arm in the microscope. Next to that there is the stage. You can see here the black one. Okay, this is the stage of the microscope. When we talk, it is a rectangular flat plate on which the objects is kept for the magnification. Okay, and it has a hole. You can see here the hole is present on the stage. Okay, you can see this is the hole, and what is the function of that hole? Actually, the hole is the center through which the light that rays pass to the objects with the help of the mirror. Okay, mirror is also present. What is the function of the mirror? You know that mirror, that is the concave mirror is present, and that concave mirror is fitted to the lower end of the stand actually, and it is used to reflect the light rays on the stage, because if the light will not pass towards the object, then how can you see the objects with the help of the microscope? Okay, for that the mirror is very important part to pass the light rays towards the object. Next to that there is the diaphragm after the stage. Okay, now that diaphragm is also called as the iris diaphragm. Okay, to adjust the amount of light needed. Okay, that which how many light you need. Okay, like that only you can adjust the with the help of diaphragm the amount of light whatever you needed. And it has two types actually: disc diaphragm, that means with a series of holes, and the iris diaphragm, like that like simply like the camera, that iris diaphragm is work. So that diaphragm has the two types only. First is the disc, second one is the iris diaphragm. Next to that there is the condenser is present. Now what is the function of that condenser? That condenser with lens for passing the light beam. Here is that condenser is present, and that condenser is help to with the lens for passing the light beam. Okay, then there is the body tube. You can see here, this is the body tube, and in the body tube the tubular hollow part that is attached to the arm at the upper end of its body tube. Okay, it can be adjusted upward and the downward. Actually, you can see here I am taking it down, I am taking it upward. Okay, again I am taking it downward. So to adjust the upward and the downward by the help of this screw. Okay, now what is this screw? You should know that screw is known as the adjustment screws. or the just simply whatever these are the small, these are called the fine adjustment, these are the coarse adjustment. Okay, so these are the adjustment screws. Is the upper end of the arm is present, the coarse adjustment screws, and it is bigger in size as we compare to the fine adjustment. Okay, you can see these screws are bigger as we compare it with the fine adjustment. So it is used to focus the object by bringing the body tube upward and the downward direction. Okay, so these are the adjustment screws. Next to that there is the fine adjustment now. Okay, if you will ask me that if there is a coarse adjustment there, then now what is the function of that fine adjustment? So don't worry, I will tell you that why fine adjustment screws are present in the microscope, because it is used for fine focusing of the lens on the objects for the clear structure. Okay, for that these fine adjustment screws are present to simply fine focusing on the lens. Next to that there is a nose piece now. Okay, nose piece means what? Here you can see. Okay, you can rotate metal. This is the metallic, circular metallic part. You can rotate this one to adjust the objectives, that which magnification you want depending on the object. Okay, so this nose piece is the circular metallic part which can be rotated, and it has through holes. You can simply identify 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 holes are present in the nose piece, where you can fit the 3 objective lenses. Okay, it may be a 45x objective, it may be a 10x, or it may be 100x. Okay, so depending on which magnification you want, you can adjust this objective on the nose piece. Okay, so this is all the parts of compound microscope. Then you should know that about the eyepiece. Okay, you can see here, this is the eyepiece. Eyepiece means what? Where you will place the eye here, it is placed on here. Okay, here, and then you can see the objects from the eyepiece, and then the light will pass with the help of the mirror, and you can see the objects which are you settled on the stage. Okay, now the way is that which is the correct handling way to handle the microscope. Okay, so many times what happened, the students are handled microscope means any type, but there is the correct way to handle the microscope, like that only. Okay, if you want to go somewhere by taking the microscope, then you can handle like this only. This actually, when you handle the microscope only by one hand like this is the wrong way, and this is the correct way to handle the microscope. Okay, then there is the next point is that how can you set the whatever the microscope now you are saying this is the correct position to set the microscope. Okay, many time what happened, that you can keep like that only, but this is the correct position to handle the microscope. Then how can you clean the eyepiece? Okay, with the help of the tissue paper you can clean this microscope eyepiece. Okay, and you should do a keep side properly if you don't need it any type of the microscope to the center of the table or anything. Okay, means if you will place the microscope at the side to the table, then this is the wrong way. Okay, so this is about all the parts of the compound microscope and correct handling method and correct position for the microscope. Okay, thank you.